Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Moto Craze. Today, we're diving into a full detailed review of the all-new 2025 Honda Africa Twin 650, a mid-weight adventure bike that's turning heads with its aggressive stance, refined features, and pure off-road DNA. Right off the bat, the Africa Twin 650 is Honda's bold step to offer a more accessible version of its flagship adventure bike, slotting just below the 1,100cc beast. This 650 packs the same rally-inspired spirit in a more compact, beginner-friendly, yet still adventure-ready format. From the first glance, the exterior design screams purpose. You get that tall windscreen, dual LED headlamps with DRLs, muscular fairing lines, and a rugged skid plate underneath. It's clearly made for tackling tough trails and highways alike. The seat height is slightly reduced compared to the bigger sibling, which makes it more approachable for shorter riders without compromising off-road agility. The features on the 2025 Africa Twin 650 are nothing short of impressive. It comes with a full-color TFT touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Bluetooth connectivity. The new model also includes ride-by-wire throttle, selectable riding modes, switchable apps, traction control, and a quickshifter available as an option. Honda has also included cruise control, which is a huge win for long-distance riders. You're also getting USB-C charging ports and an adjustable windscreen for added comfort during extended journeys. Under the tank, this machine houses a newly developed 650cc parallel twin engine, tuned for smooth low-end torque and responsive mid-range power. It delivers approximately 70 horsepower and 65 Newton-meters of torque, making it more than capable for spirited highway rides and confident dirt road adventures. The 6-speed gearbox is slick, and the optional DCT dual-clutch transmission version is perfect for riders who prefer a clutch-free experience. Top speed clocks in around 180 km per hour, but what really stands out is how stable and planted it feels both on and off-road. Suspension travel is generous, with show-along travel forks up front and a preload adjustable rear shock, making it ideal for soaking up bumps and ruts. As for pricing, the Africa Twin 650 is expected to start around $9,999, making it one of the most value-packed adventure bikes in the mid-weight category for 2025. So there you have it, the 2025 Honda Africa Twin 650, lightweight, tech-packed, and adventure-ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more two-wheel reviews here on Moto Craze. Ride safe and see you in the next one.